Alright, and welcome back to the channel again. So today I'm gonna be installing the heater up there. So it's gonna be elevated right above me, somewhere around like 8 feet. Purlin on top there, and 2 purlin goes on each side, and I do have the heater hanger kit so that I can hang the heater. So these ones are my chain. So this will be in the heater will be hanging right on this chain, and I do have some other stuff that I needed that I'm gonna be installing later on. But for now, I need to put the purlin on before I do anything. So that'll be my big challenge. And then lifting the heater up on top is very hard, but I'll figure it out and then see how that goes. All right, guys, and you guys get to see once I have done this one, but you also get to see in the process. Okay, all right, guys, here we go. The purlin has been hung and it's ready to go for the heater. So let's see how that goes. Once I have the heater, I do have a heater, I'm gonna unbox that and then put it up in there. So that'll be nice, and this greenhouse will be cozy. All right, here she comes with the heater. So that's gonna be tough challenge. There we go, the heater is here. It's good. Alright, all good. Alright, the heater solder is also installed. So all I gotta do is like put the exhaust here, and then combustion exhaust, and also I need to do the like actual propane intake from there. Alright, guys, this is my air circulation fan. So let me unbox these, and once you guys see this, and it's gonna be in a separate video, but I don't have time for right now because look at this. This was the hardest job that I ever did, and this one is the next project for the greenhouse setup. Okay, so let me see. This will be 12-inch quality, better quality. Yeah, it does have all those things that I needed. Look at this fan. So alright, guys, this will be my next video for you guys. So hopefully we'll install everything right and then makes the greenhouse nice and cozy. Alright.